Experts predict that artificial intelligence will replace millions of jobs within the next decade. But is AI a threat or an opportunity?
Ugh, I don't like this. Every day, it feels like another job disappears because of AI.
I think you're overreacting. AI is making life easier. Look at this coffee shop. They use AI to manage orders, but the baristas are still here.
Yeah, for now. But what happens when robots can make better lattes than humans?
It's not just baristas. Writers, designers, even doctors. AI is creeping into every job field.
But isn't that a good thing? It's taking over the boring, repetitive work, so people can focus on more creative things.
But not everyone wants to be more creative. Some people just want a stable job. What happens to them?
Exactly. My uncle worked in a factory for 20 years. Then they brought in machines, and just like that, he was out of a job. No warning, nothing.
That's awful. Did he find something else?
He tried, but learning new skills at his age isn't easy. Companies want young tech experts, not people in their 50s struggling to keep up.
Okay, I see your point. AI does make some jobs disappear, but it also creates new ones. Someone has to build, program, and maintain these machines.
Sure, but not everyone can just become a programmer. It takes years of learning. And what if you don't even like tech?
Plus, let's be real, companies won't hire more people if they can just let AI do everything.
Yeah. If an AI can work 24/7, never take breaks, and never ask for a salary, why would a company hire a human?
But think about this. What if AI helps us work with it, not against it? Like, instead of replacing humans, what if it just makes work easier?
How?
Imagine a teacher using AI to grade papers faster, so they have more time to actually help students. Or a doctor using AI to scan test results quicker, catching diseases earlier.
That's true. AI isn't perfect. It still needs humans to guide it.
Okay, but here's my biggest fear. What if one day AI doesn't need humans anymore? What if it just does everything on its own?
Sounds like a sci-fi movie.
Maybe, but for now, AI still makes mistakes. Have you seen those chatbots that say the weirdest things?
Oh yeah! I asked one for a pizza recipe, and it told me to put strawberries on it.
See? AI isn't taking over just yet.
Maybe not today. But we do need to prepare for the future.
I agree. Instead of fearing AI, we should focus on how to use it wisely.
So, AI isn't the villain or the hero. It's just a tool.
Let's just hope we stay the ones holding the toolbox.
I'll drink to that.